Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today to decorate with my Sassy Club camping sticker mini kit that is so cute. And then I also have my little sticky notes that I'm going to use in here. I also picked up, because I tried a clip-on pin holder and it just came off. So I ran into Michael's yesterday and ended up getting a whole bunch of those really neat trunk and suitcase boxes to organize some of the paper things that I'll be doing for the wedding, and then they'll be cute to take to the wedding and set out as a decoration. I was trying to figure out what could I do. So anyways, and then I also so I went in there to pick up this because these stick on, they don't fall off, and they're by the Happy Planner. So, and it was still half off when I was there. Michael's had it half off yesterday. I think it was half off. Yeah, it was half off. Half off? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, sorry guys, and I don't have this marked, so let me see here. Okay, that was this week, so now let's do next week. I am really loving all of my Happy Planners, so I've received some emails and messages, and I'm loving it. I don't regret it at all. It works perfectly for me, and yeah. Oh, by the way, Sassy Club is, oops, sorry, I meant to get the different one, but that's okay. Here, I've got a different one here. So here's all her, oh goodness, sorry, it's been kind of harried today. All of her social media, hashtag the Sassy Club, and I think it's either sassyclub.com or thesassyclub.com. So if you're interested, Sandra is a really neat gal. It's her private business, and she's just been tremendously helpful. So I thought this would be cute for this next week for this planner, and I've got, of course, I've got the, that was in the kit too. This was a mini kit, and that was our first time to do it. It also had stamps and everything, so I put those in with my Revival Camp Day Spring Illustrated Faith box, and I'm going to be doing in a project for you guys later on this week. So, alright guys, here we go. So, I am going to, I don't want to use the days on this, so I'm not going to use that, but I love the flags, and I love the little campers, and I love the boxes. So, let's just go ahead and hop in here. And I may use some of those too. I'm not sure yet, but let's just go on and get started. I am going to put my checkoff list down here, and I'm going to go a little bit lower than what's there and over to save space to write. And there's that, and I might use some of these. So I'm going to use these three. So I've got Monday, which is the 20th, and the reason I'm doing this is I want to be sure to start focusing Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We are in the midst of some really heavy-duty stuff with the estate. So I know that I want to make sure I don't just keep a list in my work planner, but also in my regular planner to remind me. So yeah, and then those are cute. I like the little ones. So I do have some things to do for work, my partnership that we are involved in. So I'm just going to do that on the same days, but right now, it's, if I did something, you know, spend X amount of time, 3 days a week, I would be good on that. So I don't want to use the same, so I think I'm just going to go with the solid green here. And yeah, so that'll be that. There's all that that's taken care of. Okay, so far so cute. And this is UBU. I love that. It's already kind of pre-decorated. And I think that's all I'm going to do out of that sticker sheet. And I'm not sure I'm going to use this because this is such a small planner. This is my pocket planner that I carry into town. So oh, I love that little camper. We've been looking at campers, my husband and I, and we camped so many years with our kids, and we recently, one of our kiddos worked for, wow, here we go, campers, I'm going to put that on here, worked for one of the hotel chains, Hyatt, and so we have enjoyed staying in hotels, which is great. Sorry, I'm going to make sure I'm in frame. And but my husband and I are getting back to some of our roots. I kind of looked in a couple weeks ago and said, well, what about if we get a camper again? And he was just like, you want to get a camper? And I was like, yeah, I mean, if you want to. And so the conversations have begun. So he's so cute. But I'm just putting that compass, a little camper, and then that little flag, and I probably could put another flag over here because I really love this pink. We'll kind of tie into that pink, so super cute. And I want to see, now this day we are going to be at some underground caves, but because of my knees, it's going to be the first time I haven't been able to go. But our youngest hasn't gone, so I'm going to let my husband do the hike with her. And who knows, I may be sitting in a cafe making videos to y'all, or just working, which probably I'll just be working. But I think that's going to be a fun day, and especially for her because she hasn't done it yet. And I want her to have some of the memories that our other kiddos have. So we're trying to make sure she gets the same experiences because we love her. And I'm going to put this here because it's just too cute. Alright, so maps, because we'll have to be traveling some to get to those caverns and all that kind of good stuff. And while we travel, many of y'all know we have many children and lots of help. So they come and they take care of the property and everything, and it works out great. So our critters are all going to be taken care of. And we're going to get a break. I'm super excited. I was talking to my brother-in-law and brother and said, I know I took a break when I was sick, but we are going away. And my sister-in-law was like, yay, you're going to take a real vacation. And I said, well, kind of, sort of. We're going to be doing wedding planning, but yes, we are going to vacation too. So I've got to sit down and make a list of all the places I want to go. And this is where this little sweetie is going to come in. So I'm going to put this, and it may be I'll list it here, but I'm going to put this down here, because these are all the places I want. I'm going to, if I need to do anything or call or do any, do anything ahead. That's the word. And then I really want to use one of these, but it's just, I think this planner's just too small for it. But I do want to put something up here. So, hold on, guys. I am so happy with this planner, and I'm so thrilled that sweet Sandra came out with these mini kits for planners. I love that she did this because she is so creative and so amazing. So, and if you haven't gone to see all of her beautiful stamps and dies and just all the things she does, please go visit the Sassy Club. She is an absolute doll. And not all who wander are lost. Yes, good times this way. Oh my goodness. So, I think that's going to go here. I am going to use a big old sticker. Good times this way. Oh, I cannot wait. Alright guys, so here's this is ready to go for the week. And yeah, I think that's it. So, okay guys, let's put in the pin holder in the back. And of course, because there's a lot of pink on this, I bet you know which color I'm going to use. I'm going to use the pink pin holder. So, and I've got another planner that the black will be perfect for. It's a happy planner. So, okay. If you guys have not used these are fantastic. I mean, and these babies, they stick. So, you do not lose them. So, I'm going to put this, and of course, it's a heart. I'm going to put it just like that. And so, it kind of butts up to the edge, and you just stick it down. That way, you know you're straight. Everything. I hope I'm straight. Yeah, I am. So, and then my pretty pin from Planner Society. I love this one. It's so pretty. It fits just like that. And because this is kind of a tight one, I don't even have to like clip it on. So, alright guys, this is it. I am super happy with my happy planners. And I love the ease for my sore hands. And yeah, so this, let me put this a little straighter, but this literally, I'm going to put this up here. This may be the list for packing, I'm not sure yet, but this makes me happy. I hope it makes you happy. If you like this video, or you like this video, this kind of video, and you like this kind of layout, or if you use the Sassy Club, please give it a thumbs up. I just love supporting her business, and yeah, I really I think this is so cute. I'm just sitting here looking at this. You're wondering, well, why is she stammering around? I'm just looking at it. It's so cute. All right, guys, I'm sorry. Thank you guys for being here. Subscribe. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to encourage you. Again, give it a thumbs up or a like. I'd really appreciate your support. We need it here on this channel. And I will be putting pen to paper, and I will post these next week of how I plan the paper. So on YouTube I decorate, on Instagram, if you go to my Instagram, josephinesdesigns.com, then you will see how I fill out my planner for the week. All right. Thanks, guys, for stopping by. Most importantly, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and so very lovely. I just am so thankful for each of y'all. All right. I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.